Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Intuit Inc. Complete guide step by step clearly.
To invest in Intuit Incorporated, start by conducting thorough research on the company.
Visit the official Intuit website to learn about its financial performance, products, and services. Review the latest news articles and reports related to Intuit for any recent developments or announcements. Analyze Intuit's stock performance over time using investment platforms or financial news websites. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers access to Intuit Inc. Shares. Complete the account registration process by providing necessary identification and financial information. Fund your brokerage account using a bank transfer, debit card, or any other accepted method. Once your account is funded, search for Intuit's stock symbol, which is INTU. Review stock details such as current price, market cap, and trading volume. Decide how many shares of Intuit you wish to purchase based on your investment strategy and budget. Select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. If you choose a market order, your purchase will execute immediately at the current market price. If you opt for a limit order, specify the maximum price you are willing to pay per share. After confirming the order details, submit your order to purchase shares of Intuit. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on Intuit's financial health and market trends. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different companies along with Intuit. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay informed about changes in the industry that may impact Intuit and its stock performance. Be patient and consider your long-term investment horizon when holding onto Intuit shares. Seek professional financial advice if you are unsure about your investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.